Hello makers, today we're delving into the realm of condiments, specifically the process of manufacturing tomato ketchup. From farm-fresh tomatoes to the rich sauce on your fries, join us as we explore the numerous steps involved in making this famous condiment. Let's get started. Step 1. Sourcing and inspecting tomatoes. The process of manufacturing tomato ketchup starts with procuring high-quality tomatoes. These tomatoes are normally acquired from local farmers and supplied to the manufacturer at their optimal freshness. Upon arrival, the tomatoes are thoroughly inspected to ensure they satisfy quality standards. Only the freshest, ripest, and blemish-free tomatoes are chosen for ketchup manufacture. Step 2. Washing and sorting. Once the tomatoes have passed inspection, they are transferred to washing machines. The tomatoes are properly washed to remove dirt, pesticides, and other contaminants. After washing, the tomatoes are sorted according to size and freshness. This guarantees that only the best tomatoes make it to the next step. Step 3. Crushing and pre-cooking. The sorted tomatoes are then transported to crushing equipment and smashed into a pulp. This pulp is then pre-cooked at a specific temperature to soften the tomatoes and release their natural juices. Pre-cooking also helps to break down tomato fibers, making it easier to extract juice and pulp in the following phases. Step 4. Straining and refining. After pre-cooking, the tomato pulp is fed into straining machines. These devices separate tomato juice and pulp from seeds, skins, and other solid materials. The straining procedure guarantees that the ketchup's texture is smooth and constant. The refined tomato juice and pulp are collected in big vats for subsequent processing. Step 5. Cooking and seasoning. The refined tomato juice and pulp are then placed into big cooking kettles. Here's where the magic happens. To avoid burning, the tomato mixture is cooked at a controlled temperature while being stirred constantly. Various seasonings and ingredients are added when cooking, including vinegar, sugar, salt, and spices such as cloves, cinnamon, and allspice. The particular formula may differ depending on the desired flavor profile of the ketchup. This cooking time might be several hours, enabling the flavors to combine and the mixture to thicken to the appropriate consistency. Step 6. Quality control and testing. Quality control is a vital component of the ketchup production process. Each batch's samples are examined to verify they meet the flavor, texture, and consistency requirements. This includes determining the acidity, sweetness, and thickness of the ketchup. Advanced quality control methods may include pH testing, viscosity tests, and sensory evaluations. Any batches that do not fulfill quality requirements are reprocessed or discarded. Step 7. Pasteurization. After cooking and quality control, the ketchup is pasteurized to make it safe to consume. Pasteurization is the process of heating ketchup to a specified temperature for a set period of time in order to eliminate any hazardous germs or microbes. This technique also helps to extend the shelf life of the ketchup. The pasteurized ketchup is quickly cooled to stop the cooking process and preserve the flavor. Step 8. Filling and sealing. After pasteurization, the ketchup is ready for packaging. Ketchup is moved to filling equipment and distributed into sterilized bottles or pouches. The filling procedure is intended to be hygienic and efficient, ensuring that the ketchup stays fresh and uncontaminated. After filling, the bottles or pouches are firmly sealed to keep air from entering and ruining the ketchup. Step 9. Labeling and packaging. The sealed bottles or pouches are then labeled with product information such as the brand, ingredients, nutritional value, and expiration date. The labeling procedure is accurate and mechanized, ensuring that each product is properly branded. After labeling, the ketchup is packed into boxes or crates for shipment. The packing procedure protects the ketchup throughout shipping and storage. Step 10. Distribution. Finally, the ketchup is bottled and stored in a controlled environment until it is ready for distribution. Efficient logistics guarantee that the ketchup gets to retailers swiftly and safely. From there, it makes its way to consumers, ready to be savored with their favorite foods. That concludes the step-by-step tutorial on how to make tomato ketchup. From finding the freshest tomatoes to the final packaged product, every step is critical in producing the ketchup that adds flavor to our meals. Thank you for joining us on this wonderful trip. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to We All Makers for more behind-the-scenes glimpses into the world of production and craftsmanship.